got away, seen a share of ups and downs. Got so much going on, the whole world's going wrong. I wish that tide could reach us now, wash away all the gray. If you got the time, I got the place. Let's get back to you and islands. A harbor breeze blowing through your hair, staring at that blue horizon. Close my eyes and I'm right back there. I swear I feel the chants singing in the sand. Listen to the roster band, the love we made that last night. Let's get back to you and islands. Everything, baby, everything will be alright. Last night I had a dream, we were in quarantine, and all the oceans turned to dust. I woke up in a sweat, time hadn't run out yet. I heard the tide calling us to wash away all the gray. If you got the will, I got the way. Let's get back to you and islands. Compass key and a warm salt air, staring at that blue horizon. Close my eyes and I'm right back there. I swear the sunset in Boca Grande made us fall in love again. I can't forget that last night. Let's get back to you and islands. Everything, baby, everything will be alright. Come and sit in the sun. Let's get back to you and islands, Hawaii and Oahu, staring at that blue horizon. There's so many that we still don't know.